Hi everyone. Okay, Cocoa Daisy time. I've been on vacation, so I have not been able to see exactly what any sneak peeks or anything because I haven't been around. So, okay, this is the farmer's market. Oh, look at it. We get little bookmarks now. So it's a refer a friend, because whenever you refer someone, as long as someone subscribes, you get $10 each. As long as it's one of the bigger kits. We each get $10 to spend in the store. After $20, you have to spend $20 to get $10 off, and it doesn't go towards the subscriptions. So, but that's cool. So they have so they did like a twofer. So now you get double awesomeness. And so this kit is the farmer's market, and you always get a message from Christine, the owner. So. That's Bus. He's snoring. Okay, so I changed my subscription, and oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start, you guys. I changed my subscription. Thank you, Leslie Inglis, for telling me about that, and it's awesome. So I'm excited. Oh, okay, so this is the Traveler's Notebook set. So I did change my subscription. So now I only pay the $73, I believe. It's $73. So this is the clips. I get the planner add-on, the Traveler's Notebook, and the standard Dory, but without the Dory. So I don't know what it's called. And then we have Farmer's Market. How cute is that? Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys stink. Oh my gosh, they stink. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to keep quiet and let you see this because, oh, I love the tickets. Oh, I love the tickets. The tickets are the best ever. That is so awesome. Let me go this way. The tickets are so cool. I like the colors too. They're just like on the edge of being like bold and not too bold. Oh, look at Foodie Delish. Nom nom. Dish on my bon. Let's appetit. Cook, eat, dine, in and out. These are so cute. These are puffy sentiments. And here is the stamp set. Oh, what a nice stamp set. Do I have a... Yeah, I do. Hold on. Oh, let me get... Now you can see this a little better. This is the stamp set. It's a 4x6. Oh, I love books, coffee, and foodie stamps the most. So that's what I always like having the most. So we got that. And you always get a thing that shows you how to do if you wanted a sketch, Traveler's Notebook sketch, a monthly sketch. And she gives you a sample of what she does with her sketch. That's the sketch. I'm going to have to play with that. And I keep these. I have them in the folder. Okay, so let's open. This is the Traveler's Notebook side. So exciting. I haven't seen any of this. Okay, a tag. You know how much I love that right off the bat. These are the standard stickers that we get each month. So my husband's working on his motorcycles in the garage. And so he turned up the music, of course. So sorry, it's either baby's snoring or husband in the garage. Which, that's the only reason why I'm filming today instead of waiting till next week when he goes back to work on Monday. So, forgive me. Okay, so, oh, look at how beautiful that is. Oh, that's awesome. Very, very pretty. Now these are not, well, no, that one is, it's dotted. This one is squares. Oh, look at that one. How pretty are these papers? I absolutely love it. Look at that one. You see that one? Tickets. Oh, nice. Oh, look at this, farm to table, and it has the menu. First course, second course, third course, dessert. That's awesome. Oh wow, what is that? Let me look down. Oh wow, that's very pretty. Okay, so that is the Traveler's Notebook. That's standard size. Oh, like, so you get the, so let's see, where do we have? We have these right here. Let me show you. We get 2. I love this. So 2, you can either use them like this. They're always double-sided, or like this, but we always get 2 of them. So here's this one, and then that's the back, and then this one. This is the gray. That's beautiful. And then here's the back. Ooh, that's pretty. And then you have this one, which was the tomatoes and radishes, and then the back. Ooh, love that. So then you have 2 of these. You turn them, you get black. Oh, it's awesome. Awesome, awesome kit. Okay, so we still got more. So, so let me put this aside. So that's the Traveler's Notebook. We know that now. So this, let me go with this one next. This, I don't know what this one is. You guys are gonna, I don't know what this one is. I think it's, I don't know. Why am I even thinking I think I know? Look at this bag you get. I don't know how to open it. Let me see. Oh, okay, right here. Wow, this company is so generous also. I just was talking about spellbinders in the last video. And this company is also very generous. Look at this. It's a massive bag. Look. You look radishing. How cute is that? This is super cute. It's a huge bag, you guys. It's like a really huge bag. So, and then you get some washi. Oh, that has like the fruit and veggies on it. How cute. Okay. Oh, and I love getting paper clips of Simon. That is so cute. And he's dressed as a little farmer. And then you have your little die cuts. We always got die cuts with the kit. So this must be a kit. Nom nom nom. Oh, this is amazing. That one's awesome. And I love getting 2 tags. Yeah, this has to be the, yeah, so this must, I don't know. I thought I knew, but then I look over and there's some things that are, I don't, yeah. It's okay. You guys will know, I'm sure. That one's cute. 3x4 cards. Count the memories, not the calories. Remember, I'm late on this video, like 3 weeks late. So these are the standard stickers we get in, I think, the kit. But this one doesn't have a Dory, so I'm pretty sure it's that one. How cute. I love that. Okay, so that's one. That is just an awesome kit. That's great. Okay, so that's another kit. Here is the last kit I got. Oh my gosh. They don't tell you either on the packaging. Oh, look how pretty that is. I don't know how to, oh, there it is. There's the opening. Let me show you guys. Oh, look at that. The secret ingredient is always love. How cute is that? I'm going to stuff you in the blender and I'm going to, that's in Lilo's Stitch. Love and nurturing. She always disciplines me with bricks in a pillowcase. It's not how it exactly goes, but I'm just messing around. This is a little notepad. That is so cute. Okay, that is so cute. See, and this is what we got in the, oh, so yeah, I don't know what, that may be the add-on. I don't know. I think that's the add-on. So, okay, and these are, I like getting these too. They're so pretty. Oop. So you get to cook, eat, enjoy. So if you have a recipe that you want to try and you want to hold it for later, you can put it there in your TN. I love those. They're pocket pages. Look at this, you guys. Sticker album. Oh my gosh. I hadn't seen that. Oh wow. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh look. That is so cool. You get so many pockets. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Wow. I love the pockets here too. You get one of them. Wow. This is like heavy duty. This is a good thunker. So this is awesome. Oh, look at the little daisy. How cute is that? You just need to glue it a little bit more. I'll just glue it back into place. No big deal. Never sweat the small stuff. I need glue. Okay, so then that's that. I love that album. Wow. I can't believe we get all of this for 73 bucks, you guys. That's freaking amazing. So another notepad. I love getting the notepads. The notepads, I'm addicted to notepads, quite honestly. So I have a ton of them. I can't help myself. That and pens and yeah. See, these are also the standard things we get. So I am so confused. But then now we have, it's like a booklet. Asparagus, carrots. And then the yellow, the blue, with little daisies on them. Little quilt patterns. Oh, I love this barn red. Oh, that's gorgeous. How cute is that? Alright guys, what do you guys think? I am digging it. I'm loving it. Even if you're not, what I like it too is that even if you're not into the vegetable theme, which I'm not really, but I don't care about that. So, which is cool though, is that you can just flip it over and now you have this and you can just cover it. So it's easy to fix things that you don't really care for or to do something different with it. You don't always have to love something 100%. You can fix things in your own, crafting area. Here, you don't like this pattern and you don't like this pattern. You adhere these together. You can adhere them together and now you have one book if you wanted, or just use this as a mat. It just, possibilities with paper is endless. With, in crafting, it's endless. Alright guys, I can't wait to see sneak peeks. That's one thing about being so late and being on vacation, is that it's almost close to sneak peeks on August stuff. So I enjoyed this immensely. So thank you, Coco Daisy. Thank you everyone. We'll see y'all next week or next month. Bye.